will stay here. I'm a double-acted one. So I was roped in by Wynne. He's a professor of energy storage, but he's also working for Artemis, where he is at the moment, so he sends his apologies. So he will be here later this afternoon. So he's looking into thermomechanical energy storage. So on the top right, we have a picture of the different energy storage technologies. And up to now, so the boxes are basically the size of installed capacity, or potential, I think it is. So pumped hydro at the moment in the UK and worldwide is about 99% of all installed energy storage by capacity. And batteries on the top right are quite small, they're quite expensive, and they won't do anything for the long term, for the, as I saw before, the seasonal one. So for the seasonal one, thermomechanical solutions which could be deployed on a large scale. So there's compressed air energy storage. This one is isentropic compression. So this is something called pumped thermal energy storage. So you basically use a heat pump to generate one reservoir at a very high temperature, one at a very low temperature, and then you can reverse the heat pump to have a heat engine. And so you have a cycle, and because you have a hot and cold reservoir, we have a quite high temperature difference. So this gives you something, the Carnot efficiency is limited by the difference between the hot and cold reservoir. So you won't really have, they want to store it at 500-600 C warm and minus 150 on the cold one, so you have a quite high temperature draw. So you get reasonably good round trip efficiencies for the systems. And Wynne is looking at a reasonably complex system, which I don't know much about, which uses his digit hydraulics somewhere here from Artemis. And if you have any questions about that, so he's looking into the heat pump integrated with the hydraulics, and also the hot thermal energy storage and the cold storage in sort of packed beds. But if you want to have any more questions about this, please ask him later when he arrives. Thank you.
This production is brought to you by the University of Edinburgh.